ZYREX ZA987. Let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon, find and select the settings. From the following list, let's choose display. Here let's tap on wallpaper, and you can use the wallpaper from your gallery, from live wallpapers, from video wallpapers, or from wallpapers from the ZYREX. So here we've got a couple of wallpapers that you can use. In my case, let me use for example the following one, and let's choose set wallpaper. So that's it. Now if you go back to your home screen, you should see the new wallpaper. Let me show you. That's it. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.